The turtle is angry and he wants to shout and fight. His head feels hot and his feet feel stumpy. His face feels scrunchy and tight. Tucker knows a secret that only turtles know. He has a plan, you will understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, go.
Yeah.
1. You can notice your feelings.
Notice.
Are you angry, scared, or
Feelings.
blue? 2. You can stop your body. So
Stop.
I am safe and so
Safe.
are you. 3. You can talk.
Sing, play, love.